How to recover your TikTok streak. So recovering your TikTok streak is pretty easy process. Firstly, all you have to do is open your TikTok app on your mobile device and log into your account. Then simply go to your profile. Inside your profile, tap on the three dashboard option available in the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on settings and privacy and make sure you are inside the TikTok settings and privacy. Now, once you're inside the TikTok settings and privacy, scroll down and look for the report a problem option available there and simply tap on it. Now inside it, again scroll down till the bottom and there you will get to see chat with us option available. Tap on it. Now here simply type down that you cannot recover your Snapchat streak and how you can do that. So here you can see I typed down how to restore my Snapchat streak and the TikTok gives you a full guide how to do it. So it is this easy. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.